Choke claps, pick up flaming bolts and go.